Assalamu alaikum. In class 15, we are going to use kam. Kam meaning how much or how many. It's used for muzakkar and muannas. So kam plus wahid, like singular. Object is always singular with kam, and it is mansubun. We call it nasbun or mansubun. So we already studied if any noun has ending with double dhamma or single dhamma, it's marfu'un. If any noun has ending with single kasra or double kasra known as tanween, it's majrurun. And now we are learning if any noun has single fatha or double fatha tanween, it's mansubun or nasbun or nasab. Okay, here we see some examples. So, kam qalaman alal maktabi. So, here we see kam plus wahid, singular, and wahid with tanween, and tanween is with fatah, double fatah. So, therefore, it is mansubun, nasab. Kam qalaman alal maktabi. How many pens are there on the desk? So again, if there are two dhamma tanween, the object will be marfoon. If there is tanween with kasra, that will be majrurun, whether single or double, no problem, that will be majrur. So if we have single or double fatha, that's mansubun, nasab. Okay, so alal maktabi, harfu jar, we already studied, and ism majrur. So here we have kasra, so this is majrurun. Okay, and we already studied that when there is harfu jar, always ism will be majrurun. Okay, so with kasra. Alal maktabi khamsatu aqlamin. So there are 5 pens on the desk. Kam kitaban. Again here, kam plus wahid means singular and with fatah. Kam kitaban alal maktabi. How many books are there on the desk? Alal maktabi sittatu kutubin. Alal maktabi sittatu kutubin. There are 6 books. So kutubin, plural of kitabun. Aqlamin, plural of qalamun. Next one, kam kitaban fil haqibati. Again, kam kitaban, wahid, single. Okay, fil haqibati, when we use harfu jar, is majrur. Fil haqibati ashratu kutubin. So how many books are there in the bag? Fil haqibati, again harfu jar, ism majrur. Ashratu kutubin, again madud is masculine and counting is feminine. Next one, kam rajulan fi dhalikal masjidi. Kam rajulan fi dhalikal masjidi. So how many men are there in the masjid? Again, kam here single, wahid, rajulan, and nasab, mansubun. Ashratu rijalin. Now here we see that madud is masculine and adad is feminine. We already studied. Fi zalikal masjidi, in that mosque. Kam muslimatan. Again here we see that kam plus wahid, single, whether it's muzakkar or muannas, no problem. Fil masjidi. ثماني مسلمات. Here feminine. Fil masjidis. 8. Now we already studied in previous class that if madud is feminine, then adad will be masculine. Here we can see muslimatin, and here is adad is masculine. So there are 8 Muslim female in the mosque. Kam thallajatan fi hadhal bayti. How many refrigerators are there in this house? Fi hadhal bayti ashru thallajatin. So there are 10 refrigerators in this house. Kam tabibatan fi tilka al-ghurfati. How many doctors? Mean female doctors. Kam tabibatan. How many doctors? Fi tilka al-ghurfati. Tilka for female, meaning that. Fi tilka al-ghurfati sab'u tabibatin. 7. There are 7 doctors, mean female doctors in that room. Kam taliban fil ghurfatil mudarrisi. So here we see mudaf and mudafun ilayh. We already studied it. So how many students are there in the room of teacher? Fi ghurfatil mudarrisi talibani. So there are 2 students. Kam baytan fi hadhihi al-qaryati. How many houses are there in the village or in this village? Ashratu buyutin. So this is a plural of baytun. Baytun and buyutun. So ashratu buyutin fi hadhihi al-qaryati. There are 10 houses in this village. Kam mudarrisatan min al-qaryati fi hadhihi al-madrasati. How many teachers are there in this school from the village? Fi hadhihi al-madrasati mudarrisatani min al-qaryati. So there are 2 teachers, like female teachers from village in this school. Kam sayaratan fi hadha al-bayti. How many cars are there in this house? Khamsu sayaratin. Now here we see that object madud is feminine, then counting or adad is masculine. Fi hadha al-bayti. In this house there are 5 cars in this house. Kam bintan wa kam waladan fi tilka sayarati. How many boys and how many girls are there in that car? Fi tilka sayarati samani banatin wa samaniyatu awladin. There are 8 girls and 8 boys in that car. So here we see that if we have madud feminine, then we use here masculine adad. And while we have madud masculine and adad feminine. So inshallah, there is next some reading for you. Read it and translate it. You will find some sentences from up there. Already we studied. Assalamu alaikum.